Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Rook TV K-drama and movies app. So first of all, you need to log in or open your app. Make sure that this app is installed in your device. Then I'm going to allow all, and home. This is the interface. Okay, so what you need to do, simply tap here me button. Then you have to sign up first, and then you can see download option. If you download anything, so you'll get it here in library. All the shows is here, so you can see, and you can see the ratings from IMDb, and short, movie, anime, variety shows, talk show, documentary, all that. So all the things is available here is square. So actually you can choose anything if you want to search, and then you can search any topics. You can see trending searches here. So this is the K-drama trending app, ranking, playlist, drama, movie. So you'll get all these apps here. So I'll create more video how to use this app